there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our Vauxhall clutch pivot pin kit, designed to reduce the excessive movement in the clutch pedal on many Vauxhall vehicles. This kit is suitable for Astras, Insignias and Zafiras with the 2-litre engines. For full vehicle fitment information, please check the description below. The original pivot pin is made of weak plastic which deteriorates over time, causing the clutch pedal to experience excessive movement from left to right. The plastic can easily snap, as shown. This part is not available to buy from Vauxhall, and instead they will quote for an entire new pedal box. The original bushes are also made of weak plastic and will deteriorate over time. The X8R pivot pin is made from stainless steel and is guaranteed not to break and will likely outlive the vehicle. The X8R kit is unique and comes with self-lubricating brass bushes. The bushes are made to the exact specifications of the original bushes but with vastly improved material. You will also receive a stainless steel washer, a stainless steel R-pin, and thread locker. Firstly, remove the old pivot pin by pressing a flathead screwdriver under the head of the pin and pressing on the other side with grips. Push it out of the mechanism. Lift out the clutch pedal and remove the old bushes. Insert the new brass bushes. Apply thread locker to the main body of the new pivot pin. Insert the new pivot pin into the mechanism and through the clutch pedal. Screw the other end of the pivot pin on the other side. Tighten with a 6mm Allen key. Press on the new washer and insert the R-pin into the 2 holes on the back of the pivot pin. Please note that some movement left to right is absolutely necessary for a pedal to function, but the X8R kit has drastically reduced the excessive movement. This completes the repair. This product is now available to purchase on our website via the link in the description. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.